Hello everyone, myself Chandana S. Wearing Davidson 1BE21CS034, Department of Computer Science Engineering, SVCE, Bangalore. Today here we discussing about environmental protection and management and its applications. Introduction to environmental protection. Environmental protection refers to practices aimed at preserving the natural environment. It encompasses the regulations, policies, and initiatives to safeguard the ecosystems. Understanding its importance is crucial for sustainable development and human health. The environmental protection have some ways to protect the environment, that is waste storing, using of solar energy, plant trees, changing transportation habits, vegetarian foods, solar proof panels, energy saving lamps. These are the ways to protect the environment. The relationship between the environment and health is a complex and multifaceted. Understanding this interplay is crucial for promoting public health and sustainability. This presentation will explore key factors that connect the two domains and discusses the strategies for improvement. Environment encompasses all living and non-living things around us, including air, water, soil, and ecosystems. It plays a crucial role in determining the quality of human life and overall well-being. Understanding its elements is essential for addressing health and the challenges. Pollution is a significant environmental factor that affecting the health by air, water and soil pollution. It can lead to serious health issues like respiratory diseases, cancer and cardiovascular problems. Addressing pollution is essential for improving public health outcomes. Climate change poses a growing threat to health through extreme weather events and shifting disease patterns. Vulnerable populations are disproportionately affected. Understanding these impacts is crucial for developing effective adaptation and mitigation strategies. Access to clear water is fundamental for health. Contaminated water sources and lead to waterborne diseases and long-term health problems. Ensuring safe drinking water is a critical step towards the enhancing community well-being and preventing health crises. Rapid urbanization can lead to overcrowded living conditions, increases the pollution and limited access to green spaces. These factors contribute to various health risks, including mental health issues and chronic diseases, and sustainable urban planning is essential for healthier cities. Biodiversity is crucial for ecosystem stability and human health. Diverse ecosystems provide essential services including food security and disease regulation. Protecting biodiversity is vital for sustaining both environmental health and human well-being. The environmental protection it is refers to practice it is aimed at preserving the natural environment. It encompasses regulations, policies and initiatives to safeguard the ecosystem. The understanding its importance is crucial for sustainable development and human health. Spending time in nature has been shown to improve mental health by reducing the stress and anxiety. Its access to green spaces is linked to better psychological outcomes, promoting nature-based solutions can enhance community resilience and overall health. The importance of environmental management. The environmental management focuses on minimizing the human impact on the environment. It incorporates strategies that promote sustainability and conservation of resources. Effective management practices can lead to improved ecological health and resilience. The environmental management definitions, objectives, futures, advantages, and disadvantages we are seeing in next. Now we see the key principles of environmental protection. The precautionary principle advocates for preventive action in environmental issues. Sustainability emphasizes meeting present needs without compromising future generations. Polluter pays principle holds that those responsible for pollution should bear the cost. The advantages of the precautionary principles. It provides policymakers with simple common sense approach to evaluating actions. It allows for great protection of the consumer and environment. It requires decision makers to explain the rationale behind their decisions, to quantify the risk, and to avoid objective information. Allows government to create appropriate plans of action for the information. These precautionary principles that advocates for a preventive actions in environmental issues. The sustainability emphasizes meeting present needs without compromising future generation. Polluter pays principle holds that those responsible for pollution should bear the costs. Now we see the environmental legislation and policies. Some of the environmental legislation laws or Paris Agreement, it aims to combat climate change. Governments enact laws to regulate the activities that affects the environment. International agreements such as the Paris Agreement, it aims to combat climate change. Local policies often focus on waste management, air quality, and habitat conservation. We're seeing these local policies and these focus on the waste management and air quality. Government enacts laws to regulate some of the activities that affects the government. International agreements will be such as the Paris Agreement. It aims to combat the climate changes. Sustainable resource management. Sustainable resource management ensures that natural resources are used wisely. It involves practices like responsible forestry, fishing, and water usage. Employing renewable resources helps to reduce dependences on finite materials. The natural resources management, the sustainable resources are environmental conservation, policy making, innovation, adaptability, stakeholder involvement, legislation, statistics and measurement of data, fill knowledge gaps, long-term applicability, public participation, economic feasibility, environmental conservation. These are the sustainable resource management to ensure the natural resources are used wisely. It involves the practices like responsible forestry, fishing, and water usage. Employing renewable resources helps to reduce the dependencies on finite materials. Now we see the environmental impact assessments. Environmental impact assessments It evaluates the potential environmental effects of proposed projects. They help in making informed decisions that consider ecological consequences. Public participation in the EIAS environmental impact assessments. These processes enhances the transparency and accountability. EIAs evaluate the potential environmental effects of proposed projects. They help in making informed decisions that consider ecological consequences. These public participations in the environmental impact assessments, this processes that enhances the transparency and accountability. Corporate environmental responsibility. Many companies adopt environmentally friendly practices to reduce their footprints. Corporate social responsibility (CSRs) initiatives often include sustainability goals. Green certification can enhance the brand reputation and consumer trust. The corporate environmental responsibilities are environmental responsibilities, social responsibilities, and also the economic responsibilities. These are the many corporate social responsibilities to initiatives often include the sustainability goals. Many companies adopt environmentally friendly practices to reduce their footprints. Green certifications can enhance brand reputation and consumer trust. Now we see the community involvement in environmental protection. Local communities plays a vital role in conservation efforts and advocacy. Grassroots movements can lead to significant changes in environmental policies. Educational programs empower the individuals to take actions for environmental health. The local communities plays a vital role in conservation efforts and advocacy. Grassroots movements can lead to significant changes in environmental policies. The educational programs empower the individuals to take action for environmental health. These are the community involvements in environmental protection. Technological innovations in environmental management. Advancements in technology aid in monitoring and managing environmental resources. Renewable energy technologies such as solar and wind. It reduces the carbon emissions. Smart waste management system. It enhances the recycling, the waste reduction and their efforts. Advancements in technologies aid to monitoring and managing environmental resources. The renewable energy technology such as the solar and wind, it reduces the carbon emissions. Smart waste management system enhances the recycling and waste reduction efforts. Future challenges and opportunities. Climate change poses significant challenges that require immediate action. Opportunities exist for innovation in sustainable practices and green technologies. Collaborative efforts at local, national, and global levels are essential for success. The climate change poses significant challenges that requires immediate actions. How climate change could impact on the earth? The 250,000 deaths from disease by 2030, mainly due to malaria and diarrhea and heat stress. 7 million deaths from air pollution. There are major problems and challenges are faced due to the climate change poses. Opportunities exist for innovation in sustainable practices and green technologies. Collaborative efforts at local, national, and global levels are essential for success. This slide presentation provides a comprehensive overview of environmental protection and management, focusing on key concepts and applications.